Are you crawling?
Just put something out there, she'll go get them.
Come see mommy. Come see me.
Thank you.
Come on. Ooh, where'd the ball go?
Back.
Here. Oh, you want to go get the ball? Here it goes. Here it goes. Hi, Maya. Look at you. One arm. One arm. So strong. So strong. 6 months old and you're already about to crawl. Yes. You're a big shot. Oh. Are you going to push back into sitting? Is that where you're going with that? What are you going to do? Hi. Hi, big girl. Yeah. You doing the army crawl? Ooh, what did Gigi throw you?
You know what I mean?
I know. Look at it.
Good for you.
Oh, she's getting around.
Good
Just
job.
fine.
Yeah, good job.
Just turned 6 months old a few days ago. Hi. I know.
Oh, I'll go get that. Look at that.
I
Good.
know.
Go get it.
Go get it. Go get it.
Get it? Go get it. Yeah. You can get it.
You are so cute. Oh, there you go.
See what I mean?
I
She gets it.
know.
Yeah, we know you good. Yeah.
Hi.
Yay, baby mommy.
Hi, sweetie. You are so cute. Are you gonna sit up? Are you gonna sit up? Yes, we are very impressed.